I've been living in the house roughly around 4 years. Living here has been spectacular. We designed this place to be very much like a retreat, like a resort, a place where we can relax and enjoy all of the wonderful things that this city has to offer in terms of weather, and we really enjoyed our time here at this house. For us, it was really important to find a house like this in this particular location, this part of town. This house is extraordinarily centrally located. It's very close to the Palmetto Expressway and US 1. It's very close to Coconut Grove and Coral Gables. We have a house in the Keys, so we can get on 878, and we're down in the Keys in an hour. It's probably one of the best locations, in my opinion, in this market, right? It's hard to find houses in this city that have large pieces of land, but they're nestled right in the center of town, and this is what this house had to offer, and that's one of the big reasons why we decided to purchase it. The first thing that caught our attention when we walked in was the grand staircase. You walk in and there's this beautiful curved staircase that ends up in a big family room upstairs between all the bedrooms. That's kind of like the last place we hang out before we go to sleep, and it's really nice because it's upstairs. It's not for all of our visitors. It's really someplace that the family enjoys, and that's something that was really special to us. We bought the house because we like the layout of the house. The house has a wonderful distribution. The rooms are very large. The kitchen is the heart and soul of this house, and it's got a very large Eden kitchen with everything that a top chef would want. It's really a magical place, that kitchen. So privacy is a very important thing for us, right? We want to feel like we are in the middle of town, but nobody knows we're here. I believe landscaping dresses a home. It makes it feel warm, and a lot of effort was placed into carefully selecting the plants that were selected. They're non-shedding trees, most of them, to make sure that the house is always clean and beautiful. The lemon trees are something that we brought in from another state. We were inspired by this beautiful lemon garden in Capri in Italy, and then we decided to bring some of those plants here with us, and they're absolutely gorgeous, and it's probably the juiciest lemons you'll ever have. There's nothing more spectacular than sitting in this house outside with the most amazing lighting design, and the house features a surround sound exterior system. Sometimes you can sit out here in the breeze in this external living room and listen to music, and it's almost like you're in an outside concert somewhere. It's really an amazing experience. So as families grow and change, and we have 3 kids, and as one of them gets ready to move on and move into her own place, we decided that it's time for us to start from scratch and build something new, and that's very exciting for us. This is a house we'll miss. It's a very special place. It feels very great when you walk into this house. It's definitely a house that we believe that some lucky family will be blessed with.